is Anya and welcome to our FinTech channel. Today I'm going to tell you some easy ways for kids to earn money. Lesson 1: How to earn pocket money before growing it. I took this initiative to create this video especially for kids because when they grow up, they don't need to rely on their parents or be a burden to them just for asking them money. So I want them to grow to be independent and get more profits at a young age. So before we begin our lesson today, let me start with a quick question. What is money? What do you think is money? Any guesses? Mm, yes, money is used to buy things like food, clothes, toys, and school supplies, which we all love. And money helps pay for your home, water, electricity, and internet bill. Without money, you can't get neither of these. And money is needed for traveling, like taking a bus, taxi, or airplane. We need money for traveling. You need transportations when you're traveling. For that, you definitely need money, like even for taking a bus, taxi, or airplane. People use money to buy gifts and celebrate special days. If it's your friend's birthday, you want to buy him or her a special gift, definitely need money to buy that gift. So, apart from these all, have you ever heard your parents say save money? Yes, but why do they say that? They tell that because when you put your money and when you save it day by day, it grows into a bigger amount of money, which you can use to buy your favorite things such as iPhone or anything which you want, and also it can be a great help for emergencies in the future. So that's why our parents tell us to save the money. But doesn't it take a long time? Yes, guys, it takes a long period of time. But what if I say you can double or triple your money within 1 or 2 days? Isn't that sounds exciting? It's amazing. So let me tell you some ways that you can double or triple your money. But before doubling or tripling your money, you need a certain amount of money that you can double or triple. But how do you get that initial amount of money which you can double or triple? How will you get that initial amount of money? So let me tell you some ways that you can get the initial amount of money before you double or triple it. So these are some ways that you can these are some ways that you can get money from your parents or from your friends or from your relatives with a helpful nature, and which is also beneficial for them. So let's start with the first way. Help with household chores like washing dishes, sweeping the floor, and many more. You can help your parents with doing household chores such as washing dishes, sweeping the floor, and many more. It's a beneficial for your parents and also a profit for you because you're earning money. And the next is, if you have a sibling, you can teach them school subjects and new languages. Yes, guys, if you have a sibling, you can teach them the subjects which they have in their school and also new languages if they're ready to learn, such as Hindi, French, and Arabic. And instead of spending money on junk food, use part of it to buy healthy food and save the rest. For this, let me give you an example. In Dubai, we count it as dirhams, so I'm telling it in dirhams. For example, if my parents spend 20 dirhams in a month to buy me some snacks, which are really unhealthy and causes health issues, for instead of getting those health issues and consuming that unhealthy food, I can take the amount that my parents spend for buying the junk food, such as if they spend 20 dirhams, I can use half of it, like 10 dirhams, to buy healthy food, which prevents health issues, and I can save the rest of it, which is 10 dirhams. It gives me two beneficial. It helps my body, grow fit and strong, and also it helps me get profit. I can get money from it, I can save it. So there are two beneficial in that. Last but not the least is, if you're allowed, you can sell lemonade, cookies, or handmade arts and crafts. This improves your creativity skills and also you're earning profit in a really fun way, which all kids will love. So these are some ways that you can get money from your parents. Now guys, I hope you got understood this lesson, and in our future upcoming lessons, I will tell you some steps that you can take to double and triple your money. Till then, thank you. Bye.